The Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts does exactly that. Inspired by Michael Jordan's iconic practice shorts from his UNC days, this sneaker is a tribute to his ritual of wearing them under his NBA uniform for good luck. This pair merges legacy, superstition, and style in one bold statement. The Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts feels incredibly cushioned. The padded collar and responsive sole give you a stable ride. Whether you're rocking them casually or shooting hoops, comfort won't be compromised. Jordan Brand nailed the balance between form and function. Like many special editions, this pair has generated a lot of buzz. It's a limited release, so grabbing one feels like catching lightning in a bottle. Collectors and fans of Jordan retros know how quickly pairs like this sell out. Don't sleep on it. If you're into sneakers that combine history, aesthetic appeal, and wearability, this pair is for you. I got my hands on them from hefoot.ru, an online store that's got a fantastic collection of the latest and rarest sneakers, including this beauty. hefoot.ru is a trusted online retailer that specializes in sneakers from Nike, Adidas, Jordan, and even luxury brands like Burberry and Gucci. They also stock stylish accessories like bags, watches, and jewelry. Their platform is well organized, easy to use, and frequently updated. Right now, hefoot.ru is running some amazing discounts across multiple brands. You can snag deals on top-tier kicks and designer accessories. It's a great time to refresh your rotation without breaking the bank. Check the link in the description to explore their ongoing sales. One thing I really appreciate is their customer service. The hefoot.ru team is friendly, responsive, and available via WhatsApp at +852 4600 and 150885. Whether you have order queries or need style advice, their support team has your back. Back to the shoes. They're not just stylish, they're smart. The ankle support, cushioned midsole, and durable construction make them perfect for long wear. Whether you're walking the city or showing off your collection, they bring serious value. Back to the shoes. They're not just stylish, they're smart. The ankle support, cushioned midsole, and durable. Back to the shoes. They're not just stylish, they're smart. The ankle support, cushioned midsole, and durable construction make them perfect for long wear. Whether you're walking the city or showing off your collection, they bring serious value. Styling the Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts is effortless. Pair them with jeans, shorts, or joggers. They work with almost anything. The white and varsity blue combo pops just enough to stand out, but it's clean enough to stay classy. Perfect for any season. That's it for today's unboxing from Individual Reviews. Big shout out to hefoot.ru for these amazing sneakers. Don't forget the link to the website, their WhatsApp number, and all their social media are down in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fire unboxings.